Prepare the roll material holder. Assemble the roll holder. Loosen the screws on the printer. Install the assembled holder onto the printer. Connect the wiring of the holder to the corresponding interface on the printer. Loosen the screws. Install the rear bracket onto the printer. Connect the wiring of the holder to the corresponding interface on the printer. Switch to cylindrical machine mode in the software.